Welcome back to Donslife. Welcome to the channel. We are back. That's right, we have Mrs. Donslife here. She installed a spoiler on the back window of the Corvette C8. She did that right there. Good job, by the way.
I did that.
You did that. Your skills, you said in that video, were at their peak.
Line up these lines like so. Your hands just like this, just like I'm doing.
Very scientific.
Very scientific, very technical.
According to the comment section in that video, you did a great job. So I have another task for you.
Quit commenting that I'm doing a good job, because I don't know if I like doing all these.
But I think that you do.
I'm just a good sport.
You are. So today we're going to install these. Do you know what that's for?
Yes, you told me. It goes in there. I don't know what they're for, but they go in there.
They go in there. These are to keep out...
To catch debris?
Yeah, debris, leaves, giant bugs, but more likely rocks and leaves. So we're going to install those in the vents. I think we'll tackle one together, and then if you really like doing it, you can do the second one, or I can. Either way, we'll get this done for the audience.
Okay.
So what do we say?
Let's go.
So we have partnered again with Extreme Online Store for this install. Let's take a closer look at these vent guards. So these vent guards, like Mrs. Donslife pointed out in the beginning, they go in the openings on each side of the Corvette C8. Depending on the spec that you may have an extra radiator, you may not. This one here does, because it's the 3LT version. Now with these, you can see that there's nothing fancy about them. They're just a honeycomb design here. They have an unfinished back and more of a finished front. So that tells me that this one goes on this side and this one goes on that side. You can tell because the flat part should go against the body of the car. So that's going to help us with the orientation. But guess what, Mrs. Donslife? These don't use any tools or disassembly to get them installed.
Perfect. I don't have to go under a vehicle.
Well, we can probably find something for you to go under there for.
I am good.
But my concern are these pretty nails. I don't want you to break a nail on this job. I really don't. Your safety is my paramount concern.
My nail safety.
So we'll be very careful, but I will give you like a pick tool, something that you can kind of pull and work it around. Plus, if we heat them up with a heat gun, just warm them up, I should say, that should allow us to kind of flex them and bend them into place. Now, because these don't use tools, it does mean that they need to be held in there somehow. So they just fit within the recesses of the cavity and kind of pressure fit in there up against other items. So we're going to do our best to make that happen. How's that sound? I
think I can do it.
So we're going to do the passenger side first. Are you comfortable there sitting on the job? This is going to be really tricky to film because, well, the lighting, and we'll be blocking the camera. I have a GoPro set up here, so that'll get you a little bit of footage. Anyway, it's going to fit flush up against this panel, and then it's going to be in front of this screw down here. And then on the sides, it's going to be behind those bumps. It's basically behind this boomerang, so it just sits in there. But once we get it in place, you should be able to see how it's lined up and then decide how you would have to fit it in yours if you're doing the same install. Well, we got it, didn't we?
We did. It wasn't easy, but we got it.
The other side is next, but I think we'll do that one together.
Okay.
But there's one thing that I did that not everyone has to do. Hopefully we can see this on camera. But, can you just hold this light here? So, up in the top, I used a zip tie just up in the corner there and connected it to the ground cable because I wanted it to not shift anywhere. That's optional, you don't have to do it. Again, this is just a grate, a grill if you will, to help protect the radiator that's behind it from getting damaged. So it's just mesh, it doesn't need to be too fancy, right?
Right.
Ready for the other side?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Okay.
Okay.
You know you can stand.
I know, but this is better. It's a good core workout.
Are you paid by the hour?
I hope not. I mean, yes.
All right, Mrs. Donslife, make me proud. I'm leaving this one to you.
Okay, well, here we go. I should have learned from the best, right? Ow. Maybe I should have went in on a different angle. No, I have it at the wrong angle.
Oh, there we go. Making a lot of noise.
Yeah, but I think it's like almost in. Do I come in front of these screws or do I stay behind?
Behind the screws that are here, just in front of that screw at the bottom.
Okay.
But behind the screws that are sticking out of this. Now this is an aftermarket piece, so the screws might look different than the factory one. And is it tucked up here as well?
I don't know.
Let me have a peek maybe.
I'll take a look.
Can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, I think you got it similar to what I would have done.
This one was way easier to put in than the other one.
This side was easier.
Yeah. If I can do it, you can do it.
That's right. Okay, so here's where we're at. I might put a cable tie just right up here. Just to hold it there so it can't shift up and down and it can't fall in. Well, I think we did it.
I think so.
Is all that extra experience you have.
Yeah, it was way easier than the other side.
Again, they're just a grill. They don't need to be perfect. The pictures I saw online, not one of the pictures matched another. Everyone had it a little bit different. I think it depends on how
the way
they
they're
cut them.
cut, yeah.
Yeah, the
Because
cutting.
I'm sure not every single one is cut the same.
Okay, well, thank you for that.
No problem.
Well, they're installed. Big thanks to Mrs. Donslife again.
I expect
For
my
helping
check
us.
in the mail.
It will be a while because Canada Post is probably on strike again.
Oh, I'll just use your credit card.
If you want to get a set of these for yourself, head over to Extreme Online Store. I'll leave a link in the video description below. But if you like this video, hit that like button,
Please consider subscribing.
and we'll talk to you next time.
Hey, my. That was way easier than the other side.
But it's because it came with experience. You're just shining the light on yourself there.
Sorry.
You were shining the light on yourself there.